Understanding Mulching Seedlings, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gardening, specifically focusing on the phrase, mulching seedlings. This concept is not just important for gardeners but also for English learners to expand their vocabulary in different contexts. So, let's get started and explore what it means to mulch seedlings and why it's beneficial. First things first, let's break down the term mulching. Mulching refers to the process of covering the soil surface around plants with a layer of material. This material, known as mulch, can be organic, like straw, leaves, wood chips, or compost, or inorganic, such as plastic, rubber, or gravel. The primary goal of mulching is to protect the soil, conserve moisture, reduce weed growth, and enhance soil fertility. It's a key gardening practice that supports plant health and productivity. Now, on to seedlings. A seedling is a young plant that has sprouted from a seed. These little plants are in the early stages of growth and are particularly sensitive to their environment. They need the right conditions to thrive, including adequate water, sunlight, and protection from harsh elements or pests. Caring for seedlings is crucial because this stage sets the foundation for the plant's future growth and development. Combining the two concepts, mulching seedlings, involves carefully applying a protective layer of mulch around young plants. This process must be done with care to ensure that the mulch is not too close to the stem of the seedlings, which could cause rot or fungal diseases. The benefits of mulching seedlings include retaining soil moisture, so seedlings stay hydrated with less frequent watering, regulating soil temperature, providing a more stable environment for growth, reducing weed competition, ensuring that seedlings don't have to compete for nutrients, protecting from soil erosion, keeping the soil around the seedlings intact, adding nutrients to the soil, if organic mulch is used, which is beneficial for seedling development. To effectively mulch seedlings, consider the following tips. Choose the right mulch. Organic mulches are generally preferred for seedlings because they enrich the soil as they decompose. Apply the correct amount. A layer of 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters, is ideal. Too much can suffocate the seedlings, and too little may not provide the desired benefits. Keep mulch away from seedling stems. Leave a small gap around the base to prevent moisture buildup and potential disease. Mulching seedlings is a valuable gardening practice that supports the healthy growth of young plants. It's a wonderful example of how specific terms can enrich our understanding of both language and the world around us. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and process of mulching seedlings. Happy gardening and happy learning! Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.